It's November, right, Megan? Just making sure, because our weather is not going to be feeling like it.
I think we actually like time traveled back to July, actually.
Yes, we did.
It sure, I know we have our holiday decorations up now, but it sure does not feel like it. It is toasty, and this is the place to go. I've actually gotten so many tweets and messages about, oh, I guess I'll be spending the holiday at the beach. Don't blame you. Carlsbad looking lovely right now, and it is toasty. Oceanside and downtown climbing into the 80s later, right at 79 degrees right now. Kearney Mesa flirting with the 90s, 83 for El Cajon, 86 in Escondido and in Fallbrook this morning. So very warm temperatures, in fact, warmer than the deserts. And our heat wave begins today, so this is just the beginning of it. And we may set a few records. In fact, I am forecasting Ramona, Campo, and Palomar Mountain to set new records, but only by about a degree. We're going to shatter some records tomorrow and on our Thanksgiving. La Mesa is awfully close to their record. I'm forecasting it to stay 2 degrees shy of it, but hey, you never know. We could warm up a couple degrees more. So warm air is filtering over the western half of the country, whereas chilly air is filtering into the northeast and the Midwest, and very cold temperatures are what they're going to be seeing. So yes, a lot of people hopefully coming to visit us and enjoying the warmer weather. For us here, it is going to be toasty hot though. Record setting heat straight through Thanksgiving. Temperatures will average through Friday 10 to 25 degrees above normal, though tomorrow and Thanksgiving will be the warmest days of the week when we're in the mid 80s all the way to our coastline. This will only be the 9th time that San Diego has seen a Thanksgiving with a temperature above 80 degrees. Our inland neighborhoods in the mid 90s tomorrow. It's also going to be dry and fairly breezy, not super windy, but gusts up to 30 miles per hour will be possible in our foothills and our mountain communities. That means that any fires that do ignite may spread quickly, so be extra fire safe the next few days, especially with all the cooking and maybe you're deep frying a turkey. Just be careful, guys.